Welcome back. Well, we know how that old saying goes about eating an apple a day, but who says you can't eat an apple for breakfast, lunch, or dinner? Cookbook author Gina Ferwerda sharing some of her favorite apple recipes that will add a little sweetness to your holiday meals. Take a look.
All right, it is that time of the year. It is holiday party season, and I want to tell you one of my favorite ways to entertain is with envy apples. So envy apples, a great way to really kick up your festivities, and I'm going to show you some great ways that you can do that over the holiday season. The first one is going to be with a charcuterie board. I love to slice up apples, add some different meats, cheeses, nuts, some honey, olives. It is a great way to start anything with entertaining, because as your guests come in, they're just gonna grab a little bit of food and move on, get them a cocktail, have a festive charcuterie plate to start with. What I love about the envy apple, great floral aroma with these. And when you're doing a charcuterie, what's really nice with these apples is they stay white longer. So it's really nice when you're having a nice cheese and cracker board with some apples, because your apples are gonna stay nice and white longer. And then I like to move on to a little bit of a salad. This is a wreath salad, and you can find all of these recipes on envyapple.com. So this is a holiday wreath. So basically, any type of greens that you like. I like to do arugula. There's some pomegranate on there. Of course, some fresh apple slices. That nice crunch of those apples are absolutely delectable. And then I add a little bit of cheese. You could do goat cheese. I have some tomato basil feta on here, which I love. And then it's just some candied nuts. You could do walnuts, pecans, pistachios would be great as well in this. And then a balsamic vinaigrette. And you can find that recipe on envyapples.com. And then you can also mix and match that with different things like mixed greens and different dressings as well. Okay, so I am a big fan of galettes. I have here a apple and Gouda galette. Galettes are so easy to do. You can do sweet ones, you can do savory ones. This is kind of a sweet and savory mix because you have your cheese, you have your apples. So all you're gonna do is just take pie crust from the store, refrigerated, make it super easy and simple, and you're just gonna lay that out. I put a little bit of cream cheese on the bottom with a little sugar, a little salt, and then I did some smoked Gouda. So I shredded up some smoked Gouda and grated that into the cream cheese, put that on the bottom of this, and then we add our apples. So apples, a little bit of sugar, some lemon juice, and then I did some candied ginger, cinnamon spice, and then I bake that off, do a little egg wash around the galette. Egg wash, bake that about 400 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes, and you have this delicious, it could be breakfast, it could be brunch, it could be a holiday dessert, or even dinner. If you wanted to maybe add some chicken or some ham to that smoked Gouda underneath here, all of those would be great ideas. Some easy, entertaining ideas from Envy Apples. They are now in Meijer, so we can go right to our local Meijer, look in the produce section, and you are going to find the Envy Apples. So happy that they're going to be at they are now at all our local Meijer stores. It's just a great apple that you can have all year long, and absolutely delicious. I love how sweet they are. It's a balanced sweetness, not tart, just a nice crisp apple. The crunch is great, and I can't wait for you guys to entertain with Envy Apples this holiday season. And you can find all of these recipes on envyapple.com.